Hello creators, today we are delving into the process of personalization on Writesonic AI. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the step to change your name on the platform using a web browser. So let's get started. Now from your home page, look for the web browser which suits you. So for now, I'm gonna use Safari, so you can click the same one if you have it and open it. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for Writesonic AI, and once you see it, click on it. So once you're on this page, you can directly log in by clicking on Login tab, or you can also open the official website to log in. So for that, you need to click on writesonic.com. So once you open the website, this is the first interface that you'll see, and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Sign In tab. Click on it. Now you can sign in with a Google account or with your Apple ID or with your business email. So today I'm going to sign in with my business email. So I'm going to put my business email there, and you can choose any option given below while signing in. Today I'm signing in with OTP, so I'm going to click on Sign In with OTP tab. Now a mail has been sent by Team Writesonic on your mailbox. Look for the mail and copy the code to verify your email address and paste it in the box given on the screen and click on Verify. So now this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you log in. Now go to the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and click on it. Now within the account setting, under personal details, find the name section. Now enter your new name in the provided field, your last name, and after doing that, click on Update Name. And that's how your name will be updated on Writesonic AI. So that's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Personalize your presence, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.